Hello, this is Paula Price with Big Six Properties United Country Real Estate. Today I'm at 271 NC Highway 16 North here in Taylorsville, North Carolina. Our office is located here in Alexander County. This property right here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-bedroom, 2-bath septic. It has a carport area here for your convenience of parking. It does have a nice little ramp and a set of steps that go upstairs to the inside. This property is also zoned mixed use, which that means it has several different potentials to be something other than a residential property. So we're going to go inside and check this out. So as we enter into the home, we have the living space. They do have a fresh coat of paint on the inside of the property. All the appliances will stay. There's stove, microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances. There are all new windows on the property, except for one exclusion of a window in this other room. This home has 1,440 square feet of comfortable living space. The fresh paint in here looks really good. It's really neutral. This is a very large space. This property also has a new heat pump that was just put in 2024, maybe 2025. This door here actually leads out to the front porch. Big front porch, nice little ramp. Out back, we do have a nice little side deck. This is a nice large parcel. We do have this building that will convey as well. It does have a loft area inside. It does have power hookup. And we also have 2 double doors here for easy access, getting your mower out, your 4-wheeler, whatever it is. It's almost time for sunset here in Alexander County. This lot goes all the way up to the top of the hill there. I'm gonna take a look up here from the very top of the property just to show you how big this lot actually is. Very peaceful back here. You could always build a second home. Use this as a storage area, extra parking. Very nice large lot. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath septic system. But as you can tell, you have plenty of room to grow on this property. The street here is Gravel Hill. And we also have the road frontage on Highway 16 North, which is easy access. to Taylorsville, North Carolina. Just hop a skip and jump from local restaurants. The high school's nearby. Do have this nice carport area to protect your vehicles or when you're bringing your groceries in. Additional parking here. Nice ramp out here. Easy access to carry your groceries up. Nice front porch area. You need to come out here and check out this house. Good price point, just reduced to $39,900. Sit on your porch right there and watch the sunset.